Hi Fibs, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. I'm talking to you guys on the go today, honey.
What's the caca?
Crushed it!
Yeah, I really did.
I crushed the caca!
Yeah.
Let it go, Ty. Go in front.
I tried to you. Mama, tried to
You guys, I'm talking to you guys on the go this morning. Doing school run, going to drop Tyler this morning was go, 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 go as usual. I didn't get the time to pick up the camera, so I'm talking to you guys while I'm on route to school run. Hopefully you guys are doing well. Stay loved, stay blessed, stay motivated. Tyler, slow down. My girl is here. Normally I don't do stroller in the mornings, but this morning I decided to do stroller. So we are doing school run with brother. Ty!
stop.
Say morning to the Fibs. Turn around.
Morning.
It's the last day of school.
Yes, and then it's holiday.
Mama need to take a picture of you today.
Why?
Because I take a picture of you at the first day of school and at the last day of school to see how much you've grown. So let Mama take a picture of you. I'm busy as usual. I got my workout in, I dropped Tyler to school, got back, got my workout in, had breakfast, and put Sarah down for a nap. I relaxed a bit, and now I am in the kitchen preparing dinner. Yes, you heard me right. Dinner before lunch. I'm getting ready because I know already in my head what dinner is gonna be, so I'm just getting it out of the way. Dinner today is gonna be beef mince, and I'm using that to make some tortilla. I'm gonna put it in a tortilla cup, so that's gonna be for Babe and I. And then I probably cook some sweet potato to go with it for Tyler. Do some mashed sweet potato for Tyler. And then I am going to jump right in and make Sarah some lunch and dinner for a few days. She's actually taking a nap right now, so when she wakes up, she's gonna wake up in about 10-15 minutes. When she does that, then I'm gonna feed her lunch right away, and then after I feed her lunch, I'm gonna figure out what I am gonna have for lunch. So yeah, that's where I'm at. It is Friday. It's a busy day. Baby's at work. When he gets home, he's gonna have to head to the supermarket. So yeah, that's how my day is going. Hopefully you guys are doing well. Stay loved, stay blessed, and motivated and the usual stuff. It's Friday, but trying to stay busy, because if I don't stay busy, you guys always wonder why I'm always busy. If I don't stay busy, I go crazy. I can't just sit around doing nothing. It's a good thing that I always have something to do. I go cray. And I have work to do on the computer. So hopefully I can finish cook the meats before Sarah wakes up. That would be good. So I'm going to do that right now, and then I can cook her food after she finishes eating. Anyway, I have a long day ahead of me, so I'm going to leave you guys and continue on my grind. Sarah is awake. All done. Princess is awake from her little morning nap. Let's go see her. Let's go see the princess. Let's go see the princess. Hello. How was your nap? How was your nap? It was good. Why that face? Why that face? You're hungry? Are you hungry? You ready to go have lunch? Always clapping. She stay clapping. She stay clapping. She stay clapping. Happy girl. You stay clapping. Happy girl. Hi. 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 How was your nap? Oh, how was it in your JA shirt? This shirt was Tyler's own. My sister sent it from Jamaica when Tyler was a baby. Now it passed on to Sarah. Right, Mama?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah. That's what you just say, yeah. Right? Just. Why are you smiling? Why are you cheesing so big? Big girl? Why are you cheesing so big? Why are you cheesing so big? It's time for lunchy lunch. My quick lunch: a wrap, avocado, and eggs. Boom, done. Lunch in 2 seconds. Hello, you guys. You haven't seen me in a second. Everybody is home. Everybody is home, and it's dinner time for everybody. It's Tyler's last day of school.
Yes, and I can't believe it's almost Sarah's birthday.
That's all he talks about. Sarah's birthday. So for dinner today, you guys saw me already make some beef mince. So I'm putting these tortilla shells in the microwave, and I'm only going to warm for babe because now I glance at the clock and it's Sarah's dinner time, and she's getting really miserable, and she's here with her favorite boy. Well, one of her favorite boy. You can't let Tyler hear that I just say that.
It's Papa. No, Papa.
You guys normally get supermarket haul on Friday, but there will be no supermarket haul today until tomorrow. Okay. because babe, we decided that we're not gonna go to supermarkets today. We're just gonna chill. Everybody's tired, so we're just gonna get dinner done. And I have something to show you guys. I have something for you guys. I'm gonna show you guys that in a bit. But first, let me look after babe dinner and get Sarah to eat. Honey, I have princess in my hand. Help me, please.
Oh, you got on this stomach.
Camera gonna see your stomach. Help me to prepare you dinner. Because Sarah don't want anybody else right now except me. Almost never counts. Can you get a mat, please? Enjoy.
Thank you. Can you give me
paper towels?
fork?
Fork? What do you want fork to do? When your meat falls? Tyler, Sarah, where did you carry the...
Did you go?
She go hide the yogurt on that door. I wanted to show you something. Look how cool these are. Isn't this gorgeous, you guys? Isn't this gorgeous? It is so gorgeous. So, you guys, let me show you the other one before I tell you what's up. So gorgeous. Look at that. So amazing. Now that I've showed you guys both of these stylish mouth masks, which I'm in love with. These mouth masks is coming from African Fabs by Jane, and if you guys want to get your stylish mouth mask from African Fabs, you guys are getting the opportunity to get 15% off by using my code MEL20 to get 15% off and checking out when you guys go and buy your mouth mask. So go and get your mouth mask and get 15% off. No, and they have them in a variety of colors that you guys can choose from and rip your African roots. Even if you're not African, if you're not that black magic, still that vanilla goodness, go and get your mouth mask, girl and boy. Okay, 15% off. MEL20 to get 15% off. Come, say faves good night.
Good night, Mama.
Yes.
What's the Jamaican expression?
The Jamaican expression for today is dongayad.
Dongayad?
Dongayad.
Dongayad.
Right. What do you think dongayad mean? Stop doing that with your foot.
Somebody read a book, but he's heard everywhere.
He heard everywhere?
Yeah.
No, dongayad means, for example, if mama says to you, Tyler, go down in a yard, go down a yard, mean you are to go in the house, go home.
Funny to go home.
Yes, that's what it means. Or normally a Jamaican who live overseas, like mama who live in France, if mama say to one of her friends, yo, me I come down a yard, you know, it simply means that I'm going to Jamaica.
Yeah.
So if mama said to Tyler, yo Tyler, we are good on my yard, you know, we're going to Jamaica. It's so funny. Alright, tell babes night night, you're too heavy.
Night night.
Alright, come. Run.
I look red. No, sir. Hey guys, it's the end of the day. Well, it's actually the next day. I'm coming to end yesterday vlog. We went to bed very late. Babe, she was on a Zoom meeting with others, Jamaican in France, Jamaican in Western Europe, should I say? And the meeting finished around 11 p.m. So she had a lot of fun. I was there beside. Then we watched some TV. Went to bed after midnight, and we were so tired that didn't make sense to come back. We were falling asleep, watching TV, missed half of the movie, and yeah, not good. But well, I hope you enjoy yesterday's vlog, and the weekend is about to start. Saturday, Sunday, it's gonna be great. So catch up and keep up, give the video a thumbs up, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.